Creating a website similar to Zomato in WordPress involves several key steps. Here's how you can go about it. Choose a restaurant theme. Start by selecting a WordPress theme that is specifically designed for restaurant, food delivery, or business directories. Popular themes include Restro, Foodie Pro, or Resto. Install the theme by going to Appearance, Themes, Add New, and upload or select your theme. Install essential plugins. Restaurant management plugins. Install plugins like WP Restaurant Manager, Food Menu, or WooCommerce. Booking and reservation plugins. Use plugins like Bookly or OpenTable for online reservations. Review and rating plugins. Plugins like WP Customer Reviews allow customers to leave reviews. Set up listings. Use WP Job Manager or GeoDirectory to create a directory for restaurant listings with details like menus, location, and reviews. Add features like delivery and orders. WooCommerce can be used to enable online ordering and payments. Set up delivery options using shipping plugins like WooCommerce Delivery. Customize design. Customize the layout and design with the Elementor page builder for a responsive and modern look.